In a vibrant town known for its cheerful spirit and puffy clouds lived an extraordinary bus named Buzzy. But Buzzy wasn't just any bus. He had a sunny personality, with wheels, doors, wipers, and a horn that every morning Buzzy sang his favorite song in a jolly tune. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Children adored riding on Buzzy, for every journey was filled with laughter and a sprinkle of adventure. One day, as Buzzy rolled across the cobblestone streets of a quiet village, dark clouds loomed overhead, and a gentle rain began to fall. The roads became slippery, and through the mist, Buzzy noticed a small, shivering kitten. "We'll clear the rain to see the road," announced the windshield wipers, swaying back and forth energetically. "Let's slow down and roll safely," chimed in the wheels, adjusting their speed. Buzzy cautiously came to a stop. The children on board excitedly rushed out to rescue the stranded kitten, learning the importance of caution and kindness. After the rain ceased, they set off towards a lush emerald forest for a delightful picnic. To their surprise, a hefty log lay across their path, blocking the way. "Open wide, kids! Let's hop out and move the log!" exclaimed the doors, swinging open with enthusiasm. Together, the children and Buzzy worked with laughter. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut. They realized that teamwork can overcome any obstacle on their path. Their next adventure led them towards the Grand Mountains, where the winds played a symphony of whooshes. "Beep, beep! Let's let everyone know we're here!" the horn blared, its cheerful notes guiding a lost bird back to its cozy nest. The children beamed with joy, understanding how small acts of kindness can mean the world to someone in need. As the sky turned into a tapestry of twinkling stars, Buzzy drove the tired yet happy children back home. "We'll take it slow and steady," encouraged the wheels, coasting gently along the roads. A soft, sleepy chorus filled the bus as the children sang a lullaby version of Buzzy's cherished song, "The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town." And with that, under the blanket of a starry night,